Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn about the command readtrace and how to save the output of readtrace command in a text file on your desktop. So after you install the RTS hypervisor on your system and we boot with the hypervisor, you can open the command line in Windows or the terminal in Linux and type the readtrace command. We press Enter and then scroll up. We can see on the top that we are booted with the hypervisor. It will also show you some general hardware information, like for example, the detection of the cache memory in your hardware. And all the PCI devices that are available on your system. If we scroll down, we can also check what operating systems we are using. In our case, it is the general purpose OS Linux, and the real-time operating system is also Linux. At the bottom, we see that both operating systems have booted successfully. In order to save the readtrace command output in a text file on your desktop, we can type the following command. Now, if we go to our desktop and check what files we have there, we can see that the readtrace.txt file has been created. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support department at the company RTS. Thank you for watching.